And welcome back to Idle Banter. Today we are going to be actually doing what she says is selling out, or what Daman says is selling out. We actually like it. We're going to be reacting to idiots in cars.
I never said it was selling out. I think it's brilliant. I
actually
watch a lot of these videos. They're hilarious.
Are we just going to be watching videos of me driving, or?
I mean, you're an idiot, and you walk sometimes in a car, so yeah.
I mean, we need to milk that $6,000 repair bill for what it's worth.
All my Volkswagen, like, ripping down the highway videos.
Plug. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to the Idiots in Cars YouTube.
We should go on Reddit.
Let's go. Let's talk. Let's have a little conversation.
Screen share.
Screen share. Today we're going to actually be doing Idiots in Cars number 8. I don't know if you can see this. Damon, can you see that?
Close enough.
Close enough?
What do you mean? See the screen or not?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Just a bit blurry.
Let's see what happens.
Oh, crikey, it's the Albanian Rosas.
Gotcha!
Gotcha, bitch!
Instant karma. Oh my
Got him. Ha! Got him. Let's see what's coming up next.
Oh no! No! Crap bag. You.
Did that guy just stop? Yeah, he did just stop.
Okay, that's a camera and a half.
Look at all the takedowns.
I don't know where I felt like I get a little drink around here, do you, bud?
Got a couple of waiver for that.
I love how stupid some people can be. You know?
Oh my god.
That's how you pit! That's exactly how you pit.
Whoa! Oh, that's. Oh shit!
It just keeps going.
God.
Oh, this one's for Jake. This one's for Jake.
Nice.
You used the wrong one.
The amount of times I see that on a weekly basis is insane.
They just hit the pole.
That's a strangely Hammond thing to do.
It's a mission test sounds like for once it's not me.
What the fuck are you doing? Oh, holy shit, I just caught that on camera.
Oh, they got this.
How's that?
Well, I think what's left of the suspect.
Holy shit.
They caught the suspect's head.
Yeah.
I just caught that on camera. What the fuck?
Quick question.
Yeah.
Does that mean he's not coming on then?
No, James, he's crashed into a tree. So that is a no.
His head is where his genitals should be.
He's just turned it.
His head is where his ass is.
He's just redefined the whole idea of having your head shoved up your ass.
Yeah.
Yeah. He did it. Oh, it wasn't fixed down.
Hey, good maneuvering by the guy driving.
Dash cam guy really got out of there.
Got it, yeah.
Yeah, fuck you too, asshole!
Me.
Fuck you too, asshole. Sounds just like Leila. The difference is, again, with that type of guy, it's too easy to just turn into something.
Oh, Brown Fusion, we were looking at them earlier.
Sometimes if you listen very carefully, you can hear my genius.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
It's almost as if the C8 Corvette wasn't designed to tow a...
You don't say.
Who would have thought, you know? Oh, I couldn't make up his mind.
Not worth it, Charlie. No. I'm gonna hit the brakes, she'll fly right behind you. Okay,
He had a red light.
Yeah, blatantly. It hadn't for a while. Why am I with Mercedes, though?
I'm
How
sorry.
do you not see that? Even if the guy in the Chevy did kind of block you in, like, how do you not see that? Could have easily just moved
It's
the
a
other way
backup
around.
Could have stayed the other way. Eee.
Some poo's come out!
Oh, this can only
How
end.
could this go well? How could this possibly not go wrong?
Poor Shotgun, he's gonna die, he said.
Hold on.
Just keep again, just make that guy back the fuck up. Stand down.
This is why you need a Lamborghini LM002 just to push them out the way.
Yeah, just shove.
Back.
This is why I wasn't half bad with the idea of the Dodge Charger police car.
Oh.
He's
What?
driving with the bonnet open. So I have no idea how big that
Some
is.
good dash cam footage of myself. For my own.
That guy screamed though.
And way too late on the bike. Good reaction from the guy in the lane.
The server just keeps going. He's like, wasn't me. Oh, can we go
blind
back to
spot.
that real quick?
Blind spot.
Hold on. You have all of this to merge.
Yeah, and you don't. And you went to the last minute, yeah.
Of course, it's an accident.
He had like 4 lanes open.
Blind spot.
Man was obviously not.
Classic blind spot. At that point, he was in plain view. Like.
He had no brakes. He's a Mustang driver, probably.
That looked like a Cayman, as far as I was concerned.
For once, didn't hit a pedestrian. Oh, just brake. Oh, what is this? New York? Brake checking.
Brake check!
Brake checking. Is this you moonlighting, Gowan?
As a son.
In a 10-year-old Camry?
Is he like throwing Molotovs or something? Is GTA throwing Molotovs?
GTA, just
Molotov!
in real life. Okay, next video. Let's see how many stupid people in this one.
I've been meaning to do a react to one of those. We'll actually get views on this. Check it. Oh, but
Texting. Unless you don't.
I feel like there should be spike strips that come out at night that you have to dodge, and if you're too drunk, you'll end up riding over them.
that's an Evoque.
Maybe they're not drunk, maybe they're just an Evoque driver.
Oh.
He's gonna tip over.
How embarrassing.
Watch it tip over.
How embarrassing to do that when I have some of the best suspension I've ever seen.
This doesn't look like a good idea.
It's a Range Rover girl. Range Rover girl.
Almost.
She's using the Clarkson technique.
Oh my god.
They crashed into each other.
Into the side.
How is that possible? Oh, this is Eastern Europe. That's a Focus estate, and it's brake checking it. Lorry.
All over again.
It's brake checking a lorry.
It's one of the worst of all the things to like brake check.
Yeah, like heavy, and that takes a long time to slow down.
Like even in an insurance scam, you still have to live to complete the scam, right?
How the lawyer's just like.
To do an insurance scam, you should have to live. I like that, David.
He gave up. He left.
Oh, he's going for round two. Round two.
No.
Ready? Yeah.
So the people that have been with us through the very beginning, and all the bullshit that's been going on, which, but and then we're just extending that. Oh, you guys are listening to. If you don't, then you're gonna sit there and just honestly.
Some good news.
Wow.
Really bad.
It's fine. It's not gonna change.
Good news for Leila.
Good news, Queen. It's good news.
Hey, at least the cops are right there.
Yeah, at least that's.
Yo, this is New. This is New York.
New York,
Sure.
where the dreams of crap drivers are made of.
The city of gods. Drivers. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a statey. Oh my god, it's a statey.
Oh, that's a shot.
Actually, 2 quite good clothes.
Well, now it's a CX3. And that's not a Sportage.
CX 3.5.
And then a Rogue just sitting there who somehow also crashed.
Oh, situational irony. You crashed into an ambulance?
It's too deep. Oh, it's too deep.
It's tipped. It's falling. It's going. It's going. It's going.
I am like the KSI of this group, this laugh. Oh my god, it's so good. This episode just let a plunk. Oh my god. This is one of my favorite episodes that we've done. We gotta do more react. We gotta bring Cody up.
Oh!
No.
No, that's skills. He didn't hit anything. Did not hit a thing.
The GLC just going on the grass.
GLC's like, well, that's not my problem.
Yep. Didn't see that. Oh, overtakes and then slows the.
Brake check. It's an MDX driver. I wonder what my buddy's up to right about now. Pit maneuver! Pit maneuver!
Almost.
Pit maneuver!
Congratulations, you played yourself.
How did he manage to keep going into the bus?
Oh. Dude just gets up.
He just walked it off.
He
He just got up and walked it off. Man.
Freelander.
I mean, fair play.
Oh,
Fair play.
what?
He walked that off.
Oh. He has some balls going straight past the policeman like that.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Got him!
Got him!
God, it's an undercover unit. Ooh.
Oh, beat
So-
Speed night lighting.
go.
Oh, I don't have
BMW.
an expensive one like that. It's X3.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Tight gap, and he's wrecked everything. Came in for a second hit.
360. No scope.
I'm sure I can make it fit. I'm sure I can make it fit.
That's what he said.
And a Lancia Ypsilon, is that? Yeah.
I reckon it would fit if they backed it in.
That's what she said.
Yeah, they would. You could line it up and go straight back.
But at this angle,
Please, is this how physics works?
Africa worker.
it's like he's spinning the tires.
Doesn't this remind you of the Peugeot drivers episode?
Yeah, it is actually.
Yeah, the spinning. Look at the tire smoke.
It's the Peugeot drivers episode. Or Pear.
Oh.
Not a dash cam beeps. You've had a crash.
Yeah, I detected that too.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Can we just go back?
Just came out of nowhere. What? Trunk must be.
He tapped the rear of the other car.
He lost his wheel.
Another.
Oh, that's brilliant. Jordan actually okay Tacoma.
A good Tacoma. Well, they got rid of the minivan.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
When McRae drives a van.
When a Russian drives a van.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, that guy in the forklift was so close.
This is a Russian chick there.
Eastern Europe, at least.
Yeah, that's Russian.
Yeah, that's Russian.
That was nice. That one was a nice one.
It was.
Was a nice one. That Q50 is now a Q40.
Oh, the Abarth chased after it.
He's going for it. Is it kind of forklift?
Yeah, just daily in forklift.
Yeah.
Oh no, he's being towed. He's being towed. Look at that. That's not an idiot. That's actually kind of cool. Mustang driver.
Mustang.
Look at me. Everybody go by you too. Where's the police officer?
That is an ideal feature for people who wake up in the morning and think, I've got too much tread on my tyres.
Stop walking the
The forklift is just impressive. I'm not gonna lie.
That was actually that was a fail. That was actually
That's just
pretty
funny.
genius.
Oh no.
I fucking hate this song.
School bus.
The school bus too, like putting kids' lives in danger.
The truck's not having it.
Many poos shot out of my A-line!
Who's this Kia Telluride? Oh wait, soccer moms.
Oh my god.
That's like catching you. His comments are gold. His captions.
Your car no go there. That's the curb. Why you drive over it, honey? Yeah, you fuck up. Why, oh my god, honey. You keep slow. What you do?
Oh no. Just stop moving.
Come out! Come up! Float! 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 Oliver!
Here's the car with the windshield wipers on. Don't even ask.
Impaled on like a metal rod, because that's what
What?
that.
Hold on, what the fuck was that?
Guy in the black SUV just like, what did I do? Let's back that up. Hang on.
Just get.
I'm not drivers, am I right?
That a Chevy Equinox, the white one.
Yeah, it's a Chevy Equinox. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. From what I hear, that's about accurate to their driving standards.
Soon things got worse.
Okay. Can we pause this for a second? Both of these drivers are stupid. Both of them were in the wrong. This is Britain. This is Britain. This is Britain. Look, the Fiesta, the Prius.
Damon, you want me to go check outside? That's actually one of the better Gen Priuses, by the way.
Yeah.
No, but objectively, that's like the one that doesn't look the worst.
Yeah, that's the one that looks like a normal car.
It looks like an average vehicle. Not much different than the Camry of that generation.
That is a very British accident. Low speed, but absolutely stupid. In between a Qashqai and a Prius.
What is that, like Nissan Kicks?
Nissan Qashqai.
Well, in England, yeah, it's called Qashqai.
Yeah.
I like how the Prius is bigger than the Qashqai.
Yeah, it's a modern family car favorite. It's like the modern day Cortina, the way they're set up.
Rogue?
I think similarish. I think it's a bit smaller.
It's like a Rogue and a kid.
Twat bag in the bloody Merc. Absolute twat.
How about we just shut up and let him narrate?
Yeah, honestly.
Ah, you todger.
Oh, he lost it.
What do you like?
Lost it. He held it.
He did. He held it. Somebody
He held it.
Stupid. Some of them, not all of them. Most of them.
Oh my god! How the?
Oh, really?
That was not a good hit. That was not a good. And then the truck probably drove off after that. Oh.
You fucking saw that on camera. Got that shit on camera, man. You cannot hold that against me anymore.
Oh, oh no. Oh no.
Still going. Still going. Still going.
Get 4-wheel drive, they said.
It'll be fun, they say.
Yeah.
Chlamydosaurus Rex.
It's not GTA where it opens all of the AI's doors.
It's aerodynamics.
Yeah, obviously.
It's an air brake. He's trying to slow down. His throttle jammed on.
But those are really actually quite effective on planes.
Well, yeah, there's not much else to slow down a plane, is it? You're not just going to start your wheel brakes.
Oh no. Oh no. Every country becomes like Russia.
Tank slapper, it's gone. How the hell did that not go all the way around?
To be fair, the truck saved it.
Are you sure about that?
Okay, I rescind that statement.
He attempted to.
Okay, you saved from.
He gave it a damn good shot. I'll give him that.
It's a big truck. Oh no, bus.
Oh.
An ambulance.
Ambulance wasn't paying any attention.
No, there's no brakes. Nobody has brakes in that. And then just like.
And all the passengers just disperse.
They'll get on that bus probably.
Who the fuck is gonna come and hit them? No one.
No, the bus is not blocking their way.
Exactly.
Some seriously beautiful scenery, but terrible glare.
I can see how an accident.
Right with this.
Oh my god.
Oh.
That was a Fiesta, I think, or a Mazda.
Oh.
Might have been a Mazda Demio.
Meanwhile.
Uh-oh.
Damn, nice.
Good reaction time.
Zoo askew.
Ambulance. Oh. That wasn't too bad. Oh no, he clipped them.
That's the ambulance's fault, actually.
Yeah. See headlights. Someone's house. That's the
Honey,
better.
I'm in the pub.
Honey, I expanded the garage.
I don't think that's what she meant by park the car in the garage.
Honey, I always said I wanted a 2-car garage.
The other parent person comes out like, what the fuck?
Oh, the lady just walks out like, what the hell?
Oh, that bloody Ram driver is worse.
Veteran Stunt and Special Effects Coordinator on how this.
Hey, bro, watch your
He's gonna
jet.
pull out into the other lane.
Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Oh my god, you squad. You fucking prick. You don't pull out into the third lane. Go into the first lane and merge slowly. Fucking twats.
It's a Ford too. You hear that too?
What's this? This is definitely Russia, I'm guessing.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Shows. Put the other car in the wall.
It's the Rams.
You can't dodge it. What they say?
It got rammed. You can't dodge it, so it got rammed.
Oh, what a poo shutout, man!
Okay, dash cam was at fault.
How Russian is that, though? Excellent.
It's my compressor. Right there, my horn.
Oh, that's a big setup.
Got 4 of them. Let's go scare the fuck out of some people. Yeah. Oh shit. God.
Damn. Damn. Oh, hell no.
Well, the guy was fine. His stomach just absorbed all of the sound anyway.
Oh, it's on the Scion.
I'm too mature for that.
Yeah.
Oh. That's in a little Scion. That's what makes it great.
God. That jumped more. That's epic.
This is brilliant.
Oh, that shit's getting money.
I'm gonna show you. I'm on TV too, man. What up? Yeah.
So this will be on YouTube later.
His mom's pissed. The kid thinks it's funny.
Let's wait a little bit. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
It's Justin Bieber.
That was good?
Yeah. Go. Oh my god, that was
Still coming. Lad.
Fuck me. Ready? You recording?
I bet you slice into the woods $100.
Gambling is illegal at Bushwood, sir, and I never slice.
Okay, you can owe me.
I owe you nothing.
Kitty's like, no.
That was pretty fucking funny.
Nice Scion, man. Did yours have a train horn? When I got mine, it came with a train horn. You want to hear it?
No, I can't. Oh, I just put it.
I do actually like those XPs. They're kind of funny. It's stupid, but they're like funny.
Dude. We got some asshole following us. Oh. Man, you got angry. I'm sorry. Hey, calm down, man.
Emotional, damn it!
And that's that's the most we've ever laughed, I think, in one
I
episode.
think so. That is fantastic.
The guy getting mad though, like you have the right to. I would hope you'd have the right to just beat the piss out of him.
Yeah, he threw something at your car.
That is vehicular assault.
Yeah. I mean, if someone did that to the E-Type, Leila would personally track them down and cut their throat out.
I would.
Sometimes my genius, it generates gravity.
Anyone who throws something at your car, you should just be able to throw your car at them. It's already damaged. That's like the Clarkson way of solving something. That's how I'm Jezza.
Yeah. Or again, spontaneous spike strips. When someone's doing something stupid, someone in a controller can flip a button and suddenly they're spiked.
Spike strips.
Yeah.
Oh, it's spontaneously like the motorcycle on fire.
Now that's a lot of damage!
I think that'll do for videos, I think, today. Recording.
Yes, and on that bombshell, or rather on that train horn.
I don't know how to do an outro. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next
Do
time.
all the YouTube things, hit the buttons, and it makes our channel grow.
And the yeah.
That's
Just
what
make sure to press all of the buttons before you leave.
Just spam the buttons and you're fine.
Yeah.
You got it. We'll see you next time.